guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, kindly make sure that you subscribe to this channel for the latest tech updates and the tech knowledge. So, as you know, I have a dedicated playlist for the 5 days of the AI agents course. So, where you can find all the videos related to this course, starting from the white paper to each and every assignment. So I came to know that many of you are facing problem like this where you are not able to authenticate your account or basically authorization error. So when you're going to the console.cloud.google and clicking on agree and continue and then on start free, you are displayed a QR code on the screen. But when you scan the code and select the auto pay, you face an error. And the error says that billing can't be completed even after you have correctly set up the autopay. So I am here for you with the solution so that you are not struggling with this error. So for this, you just have to change your email ID with which you are logging in. Just try with a different email ID because this might be that before you have already claimed this $300 GCP credits, you just can't remember. So now what you have to do is just click on switch account and log in with the different email account. So as you can see that I already have a project. So if you don't have a project, you can click on this select a project. You will be seeing select a project if you don't have one. Then click on the new project and give it a name and a billing account and all. So let's solve the main problem here. Just go to billing. Okay. Now click on manage billing accounts. Now let me show you the problem first. Okay, so when you will click on your projects, you will be seeing that it's written billing account is disabled and there is no billing account associated with it. And if you will click on three dots and try to enable the billing account, you won't be able to, as there is no billing account. Even if change the organization, still it would be showing billing is disabled. And when you want to change the billing, you will face an error like this. So this was the whole problem that you all were facing. I think many of you were facing. So what you have to do is just click on your billing accounts and create a new account. Okay, and just give it a name and select the organization. So I'm just going in with the default name and just click on create. When you will click on create, click on this submit and enable billing, and then you will have a QR code. Now scan this QR code with whatever UPI you use and then select an autopay. And the moment you will approve the autopay, so you will be having an interface like this, which means that you have successfully created your billing account. Now again go to billing by clicking the three horizontal bars and then clicking on billing and then go to your projects. Now you will see that when you will click on this change billing option and click on this drop down, you will see the billing account you just created. You can click on set account and your billing problem would be solved. Now you won't face any error regarding billing. I hope you guys like the solution. So if you like the solution and this helped to solve your problem, just like this video, subscribe my channel and do not forget to hype my video. Comment down any problem which you are facing and I would love to solve it. Meet you in the next video of the code lab. Till then, take care and bye bye.